Is your Chevy Traverse failing to start, leaving you stranded in your driveway? Statistics show that over 70% of starting issues in these vehicles trace back to simple electrical connections. Let us break down the diagnostic process to find the culprit. Start by testing your battery voltage and ensuring the terminals are free of corrosion and securely tightened. Next, pay close attention to the starter solenoid and the ignition relays, which are common failure points. If those check out, consider the neutral safety switch or a faulty crankshaft position sensor. Weigh whether a simple jump start might solve it, or if you are looking at a professional shop repair. This chart highlights the average repair costs for common starting system components on your Traverse. For advanced troubleshooting, always use an OBDI scanner to pull any hidden error codes from the computer. Keep a basic toolkit including a multimeter and a scanner handy for these types of electrical investigations. Remember, safety is paramount, so always disconnect the battery before performing any electrical repairs. Follow these steps to diagnose your Traverse, and don't hesitate to consult a professional if you feel overwhelmed.